Songbird, Kerri from the songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And we are at day 19. Can you believe it? Day 19 of 21 days to your new voice. It has gone by like a flash, and I hope that you've really enjoyed each day just as much as I have. So it's all been about providing little bite-sized inspiration for you, a little something for you to cultivate that habit of daily showing up to do something small for your voice to transform it. Now, yesterday we actually covered the magic of the straw, which I hope that you had a lot of fun with. And today we're going to take that a little bit further, and we're going to do a song application using the straw. So what do I mean by that? So again, we've talked about this before. Exercises should be applied directly into songs in order to help you make them sound better and actually make them feel a whole lot easier. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and grab whatever song that you're working on right now that you'd love to be able to sing better. You know, it doesn't have to be the world's most difficult song, but something where, you know, you're singing it reasonably well, but you'd love to be able to take it to that next level of freedom where you feel no strain, no constriction, where you feel a lot of resonance, where you're able to really project your voice freely. Then take that song, okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to sing through the straw on the song. All right, so what we're going to do is, instead of singing the song like normally, we just go, and we're actually going to sing the song. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the example of Adele's Someone Like You. For some reason I forgot some of the melody as I was doing that straw, so it might have sounded a bit dodgy, but anyway. Alright, so after I've sung through the song on a straw, and after you've sung through the song on a straw, I'd like you to then immediately go into singing the song and see how does that actually feel. Does it feel different to when you sing it without the straw? Let me see. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Honestly, it felt a lot freer that time than even before this, while I was speaking, while I was just talking to you, you know? So this is magic, and I want you to try that. I want you to go and grab, like, you know, don't just do it on one song, do it on lots of songs, do it on all the songs that you're wanting to really work on right now, and just feel the difference in freedom, in resonance, in just a sense of, yeah, like there's, you know, a lot of the strain is taken away. So give it a go, Songbird. This is just like one of the most exciting song applications that I've ever been able to bring to you. So I hope that you will really go ahead and just give it a go on the songs and really find some success with it. Like I said, the straw is magic. It is your secret weapon. So use it. All right, there you go. So we're at the end of day 19. If you want to learn to warm up your voice in a super, like, crazy, you know, comprehensive manner that covers all bases, that really gets you on the road to building a great voice for yourself, I'd love you to check out my free resource, the Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up Guide. Just click on the link below and you'll be directed to sign up, and then you'll get that for free, sent immediately to your inbox, and you'll be able to have heaps of fun with that. All right, in the meantime, play around with the straw, singing it on different songs, and then I shall see you tomorrow for day 20 of 21 days to your new voice. See ya!